sign, sign. Again, sign, sign. Keep watching for slow motion and more context. Recently, a few people have asked me about the sign for sign. S-I-G-N. So first, I want to let you know, if we are talking about a paper or something like metal, a sign up in the air, that's a different sign, like this, where you outline the shape of a sign. Sign. Maybe if you're driving, you look up and see a sign. Sign. That is different from ASL sign language, right? If we're talking about the hands using for communication, language, the sign, there are two. Sign, sign. Sign. The second, sign. Sign. Open the hands once or twice. Sign. Sign. You'll see both sign and sign. The meaning, is it different? People don't totally agree here. Sign tends to be more of an old sign and tends to still be used for things like describing a specific word. What does that sign mean? Sign, or how do you sign something? Sign. If you're talking about language, someone who is skilled at actually signing, that's another sign where, wow, their signs are really talented, perfect, fluid. That tend to use sign like this. For example, signing, like chatting, signing. It's similar to talking, but signing. You open the hands multiple times. Signing. If someone is really expressing maybe poetry or performing, or really, wow, that is powerful signing, you make this type of movement and your mouth can say like pow. That's sort of a different sign. There's sign, and very skilled signing. But you'll see sign, how do you sign this, or what's the sign? You'll see that too. Sign, sign. Again, sign. Like what's the word? Tends to be used more for learning words, or maybe an older sign for signing. Sign. Sometimes still used for what's the sign, but some don't agree with that and they prefer what's the sign and use this sign for more fluent, skilled signing, using for interacting in the deaf environment using signs. Powerful signing, really skilled, expert signer. And last, sign, like a paper sign. Thank you for watching. Learn more about ASL and other concepts in my free email newsletter. Ready for more? Check out the Beginner ASL online course.